Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a Dilophosaurus. Let's start off by drawing the head. Start with a short curved line like so for the snout that turns to the right with a wavy line for the top of the mouth. Then, a tall U shape underneath for the bottom of the mouth. And copy the right edge like so to finish off the lower jaw. On top of the head, draw a tall upside down hook shape like so. Extend this line up to it, and another tall hook shape to the left of the first one. These are its crests. Scientists think these were used to show off to females. Underneath the crest, add a small hook line for an eyebrow, with a dot underneath for the eye. And at the front of the snout, two curved lines like so for the nostrils. From the base of the crest, add a line curving up and over the eye to close out the shape. In the corner of the mouth, add a short line like so. Then, add really small, sharp teeth along the top and bottom jaw. And finish off the head with a small V shape here and a line down the middle for a tongue. Next, we can draw the frills. Start with a long line curving up from the cheeks and down from the chin. Then, connect those ends with a long wavy line that curves around like so. And do that again on the other side. From the middle of the right frill, draw a long sweeping line that goes out and curves up for the tail. Then, come back down towards the body like so. From here, draw a big C shape for the thigh that turns down for the leg. And draw 3 sharp talons at the bottom. From there, curve up to the right, turn up to the left for the upper leg, and a short line up here to finish off the thigh. Continue the line from the tail on the other side of the leg for the belly. Then, continue that line here between the frill and the chin for the neck. For the arm, draw a small backwards L-shaped line under the frill, some V-shapes at the bottom for the paw, and another backwards L shape up to the body like this. Next, repeat those steps to draw the other arm and leg like so. Did you know that Dilophosauruses didn't actually have frills or spit poison? These were creative additions introduced by the Jurassic Park movie to make them look more interesting. They drew inspiration from the frill-necked lizard, a real reptile in Australia that has frills and runs on 2 legs. To finish off our Dilophosaurus, add some thin lines going outward along the frills for some texture. And some vertical lines along the crest as well. And now you've got a Dilophosaurus. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.